Step 2, click the register for a PTIN and select I don't have SSN. Click the next and enter your name, first name and last name, and date of birth and birth country and physical address as per your passport, and enter your phone number. Click the next and click the yes I am uploading notarized passport option 1, and attach lawyer signed and stamped on your passport copy like this, and click the next and recheck your details in the summary. So click the next and check your mailbox regularly. It will take 1 or 2 days. Mine completed within 1 day. Check your email box and click your IRS website PTIN account and check your mailbox in the PTIN account and click the your identification verification and scroll down. IRS letter appear like this. Your document approved. So click that link and submit my PTIN application. Click that link and enter your address and use my mailing address as a business address. Click the no, you don't have business, and click the professional credentials. If you have credentials, click the yes. If you don't have credentials, no, like CPA, EA, attorney, like this. If you have, click the yes. If you don't have, no, and click the next and click the no if you don't have any criminal case in you, and click the next and click the yes. You are preparing federal and business tax returns. Click the yes and click the checkbox and click the next. And are you an IRS employee? Click the yes. If you don't not have a IRS employee, click the no and click the next. Check your details, all details in the summary, and click the submit button and click the checkbox and submit. And click the pay now or pay later. Click the pay now, click the yes button and select your payment method, yes bank or debit card. I click the create and debit and enter your card details, card number and CVV number and expiry date. After payment, you got your PTIN account like this.